Today we're going to be doing a PPM test for a few different kinds of water, including the Berkey. We live in Henderson, Nevada, so the water is not great. It's in the 400s here. So we thought a Berkey would be really good because everybody raves about how much they take out and how great they are. So we got one and we got it home and primed it and everything. And then we tested the PPM. Yeah, we did the red dye test and it took out the red dye. But then we did a PPM test and the PPMs were really high. So I just wanted to show you what you're buying, just so you know. So we're gonna do straight out of our tap, just so you could see what we're starting with. This is what we put in the Berkey to get filtered. So there's a glare. 447, which is really high. Next we're going to be doing the filtered water that we fill up at a water filling station. We got our glass water container. Stay away from that plastic. So this is the water we get out of the water machine station.
Standard PPM, cheap PPM meter. On 0.
At 0. 9. So that's really good. There's like hardly anything in it. So next we're gonna do a bottle of water. We used to drink this water for years from Costco, but we're trying to get away from plastic. So brand new, never opened. Just for comparison.
You heard the seal break. Okay, back to 0.
Back at 0. And then this one is 20. So still really good because you want it to be like under 200.
Yeah, okay. So there you go. Perfect.
Next we're going to do distilled water, which should have nothing in it. I just wanted to show you for a comparison. Distilled water. It's in the jar because we are trying to stay away from plastic and get everything out of plastic. Generally, you just use distilled water for like small appliances, and you're not really supposed to drink it.
A little spill there. It's okay. Alright.
Okay, it's at 0. And it says 1, which sounds about right for distilled water. Nothing in it. Alright, and last we're going to do the Berkey.
That was right out of the tap.
So it is 429. So not much less than what came out of the tap. So it's not really filtering much.
About the same.
Not sure why. It's almost the same. So for us, that's just too high. So that's our water test and review of the Berkey. I wish that we would have had better results. We didn't get it like tested by a lab or anything. It's just a PPM, parts per million test. We didn't do a pH test either. So I recommend that everyone does their own research and finds a system that works for them in their household. But for us, we just don't think it's right and we're going to try something else. But thanks for watching.